Hello guys. Today we have a Dell laptop. It's not turning on. Okay, so let me show you before I continue. Let me show you. Okay, when I press the power button, there's nothing, but the power button is stiff, very stiff. Anyway, before continue, let me connect the charger. Okay, we do have what? A light, meaning it's charging. Okay, so in this case now it's charging. Let me ask my student, what is the problem? Common sense is very, very, very important. No, it's not. No, I don't think it's turning on. I think it's just charging. Yes, I don't think it's turning on. I don't think it's turning on. I think it's just charging. It's very important. So, sorry. Okay, one of my students is saying the power is not going into the board, and I disagree with him because we have the 19 volts going into the board, which means the power is going into the board. And okay, he's saying the power is getting stopped somewhere, and still I disagree with him that the power is getting stopped somewhere because we have this light here, and this light here is 3.3 volts, which means the 19 volts is going all over the board and is converted into a 3.3, and this light here is coming from the startup chip. So the startup chip is the one that gives the light for charging. It's a signal going out from where? From the startup chip, meaning everything is fine. The startup chip is very, very, very important. So on the startup chip, let me open a schematic. Okay guys, I'm looking for a startup chip. On the startup chip you will see one signal for a charger going out, but anyway, let's fix this machine. Okay, the issue here, my brother tried and I appreciate his efforts. Okay, he said the power is not going to a board, of which unfortunately the power is going into a board because we have what? We have this light, and this light is coming from where? This light is coming from the startup chip. Write that down. The LED is coming from the startup chip. Let me see. Okay, so cool. Anyway, the issue here, I believe, is got to do with the power button because when you press it, it feels stuck. Okay, it feels stuck. So what we do, we remove everything. All right, there we go. It's now turning on. Exactly as I told you, the power button, it wasn't making a good contact with the clip, with the button, yes.
So there was power coming, but not yet.